My shoes untied and my hair ain't done, and the stains on my shirt remind me I'm just of the earth and of the leaves. Nothing matters to me, 'cause I'm just dirt, and that's just perfect.
Mess embodied on my body, please direct me from the part we take for granted. A slanted world, ignoring life is better when all unfurled. All sprawled out across a made bed, learn to love what's beneath my head. Dirty laundry, let it rest. I'm a wreck, but that's the best I'll ever be, so let it be. Don't fix you up, you everything you'll ever need. With your hair unkempt and no makeup did. Skip vacant fibs, do you and less. Don't hide behind your cleanest lines, embrace the mess. No, every breath and dull attempt to clean it up is spent in jest.
Shoes untied and my hair ain't done, and the stains on my shirt remind me I'm just of the earth and of the leaves. Nothing matters to me, 'cause I'm just dirt, and that's just perfect.
I wish I knew at 18 that my dreams went as far as they seem, that I reached out in spite of the stains lining the seams of my family jeans, blocking my calling like I'm scared of falling, like they might see me touchscreen in my ring, shoving my mess under the rug, thinking it'd be best if they only saw clean. If only I knew that she